Hi everyone, it's Karina and welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new day. It is Tuesday morning and I have for you today a budget breakfast meal. So all this is going to cost less than $6 for two people, and you're going to get a good size breakfast burrito, and that includes two drinks. So let me show you what I'm doing or what I'm using. Alright, so first off I have some flour tortillas, and these are the extra large, so we can do a breakfast burrito, and I'm only going to be using 2 of those. And then I'm going to be using 6 eggs and half a pack of bacon, and I know it's all missing, but I've already put the other half in the refrigerator, so I'll be using half a pack. And then I'll be using a half a bag of Ore-Ida potatoes with onions and peppers. I was going to make my own because we have so many potatoes and onions, and we do have sweet peppers, but we've had this bag in the freezer for some time, so it's got to get used, so I'm just going to use that. And then I'm going to use a little bit of shredded cheese, which I shredded up myself. This was from a block cheese that we received from a pantry, but I did have it in the freezer, so the texture changed a little bit. So, and there was a little piece that was a little darker orange from opening in the bag, so I just cut that out and I shredded the rest of it. So we're going to be using a little bit of that. And of course Glenn is going to be using some picante sauce on his breakfast burrito. So right now I already have the potatoes and the bacon cooking, so I'll show you those and then I'll show you what it looks like in the end. Alright, stay tuned. Okay, so I have the potatoes cooking here. You see they already have, just like the bag said, it already has onions and peppers, so that's good. Otherwise I would have cut up our own, but since we have to use that bag, that's what we're using. Alright, and we also have bacon cooking over here. Okay, so I'll be right back as soon as everything is done to show you the finished product. Okay folks, so I have my eggs beaten here, so those are ready to go in once the potatoes are ready. So, and I have my bacon cooked here. So once the potatoes are done, I'm just going to add in the eggs and the bacon and mix it all together, and then add some cheese into it, and then serve them on a tortilla for some breakfast burritos. So stay tuned. Alright folks, so we have our breakfast burritos done. This is the finished product. So that's egg, potatoes with onion and peppers, and some fried up bacon. And I'm just going to add a little bit of cheese, or add some food to my cheese, as I would normally say. Because this is mine, I like lots of cheese. Alright, I'm just going to fold it over. There. Nice big breakfast burrito. Now where are you going to get 2 of those size breakfast burritos for less than $6 for 2 people, including drinks? Alright, thank you so much for taking time out of your day to spend with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, remember to live life, take care of yourself, and be good to others. Until next time.